Again, dear brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading, how are you doing? Did you sleep well? Did you have a good night rest? Did you have a good day trading yesterday? I hope you did. Yesterday was a very good day on the market because I've said before that if any day we have crazy moves like the kind of moves we had yesterday, even when you miss it, be happy. And excuse me. And the reason why I'm saying this is because when we have those kind of moves, they give us range to trade. And with the way I trade, it's all about range. You will never hear me say, oh, I think price is going to do, I think gold is about to do this, I think gold is about to do that. You will never hear me say things like that. And the reason why you never hear me say that is because I don't do those type of predictions. The kind of predictions I do is, oh, the kind of predictions I do is, I see this range. If this happens, this will happen. If that happens, that will happen. So range is very important for my trading style. Therefore, when I see the kind of things that happened on the market yesterday, it makes me so happy because I know that I am about to have some trading range, and that feels so good. That feels so good because it makes things clearer according to my trading style. According to my trading style. I also like to say always that whenever I'm quiet while we're doing this thing, I am just seeing the chart for the first time. When I open this thing, if you always notice, I always click the record button before I would even erase my my drawings for the previous day. So when I doing these videos is literally when I'm seeing the chart for the first time. There's no premeditated anything going on. Nothing is premeditated, nothing is what. It's just we just get straight down to business. So when I pause sometimes I'm thinking, bear with me. After all, I am only human. Sorry, I'm just checking out something right here to see what is what. Give me a second. Give me a second. There we go. So, what are we looking at here on the market? We have this clean range on this side. If this, I don't just like to rush to enter trades, but this is one of those trades where you just jump into. And reason being that price has broken this resistance. Price has broken this resistance, and then I am just hoping that price can just come back slightly a little bit, because the thing about this is that this is the candle that broke this resistance, right? And because of that, this would be the best place for a stop loss. So what I would like to see right now, I would like to see this price push down slightly to this point before I activate a position to go long. If this candle is breaking it, this would be a good place to buy. However, just for safety, I would rather have price push back a little bit to give me an entry before going long. While we're going long in that trade, you need to also remember that this is a zone right here. Let me look at it on the 1 hour. Yeah, this is a zone right here that price could possibly react right here. Price could possibly react here. But there's a possibility that price could just continue. Why? Because of the way price had this clean range coming down. So while I'm having this place in mind, let's see the range here. Let's see this. Let's look at this quickly. Just 300 pip range. So you see why I would like to wait for price to push down first. Because if price pushes down and gives me an entry somewhere and gives me an opportunity here, I will have at least 300 pip range before price get to this point where it can possibly reverse. So one place that will be a good place to buy right now, if price does not push back to come and give an entry from here, what would be nice is if price goes and closes above here. If price closes above here, now we are in this range. This resistance has been broken, we'll be inside it. then we can buy to ride it all the way up to see how far it goes. If price gives a bearish confirmation from here, am I gonna sell? Let me see. At what point am I gonna sell in this thing? At what point am I gonna sell? If price pushes here and gives a bearish confirmation, I just want to look. Like I said, we do these things in real time. I want to see how I feel. I don't think I would, even if price gives a bearish confirmation for me, I don't think I would want to sell because there is this area right here. Let's see. Let us see. There is this area right here where price formed a support. So because we've had these clean candles here, if price should give a bearish confirmation from there, price might be pushing all the way down to come and retest this zone. So it depends on what I see. So this is what is going to happen. The only way I will sell is if price push into this zone and rejects hard. But when it rejects and gives a bearish confirmation, if it's high up here, not in between, but high up here where I know that there is a good range to get down to this side, then I could possibly sell. But preferably, the best thing I would like to do is to probably see price push all the way down here, either here and give me a retest from here, or down here and give a confirmation for us to buy to go long. I will probably only sell if price comes and close below this point. This is the only reasonable looking place to sell here because we'll be able to have this range. Because look here, price confirmed that this place is a resistance. Look here, price got in here, pushed here, rejected, came back. It got here, it struggled before it broke into it. So if price should come back and close in this zone, we can be expecting price. If price should come back and close in this zone, we can expect price to probably go down this way. So just to recap my zones today. Just to recap my zones today, if price comes back here, I would enter a position from here to buy. However, if it pushes all the way down here and gives a bullish confirmation from here, I'll buy from here to go long. Let me remove this to avoid distraction. But if price pushes into this zone and closes here, this is a good position to buy to go long. However, if price closes below here, we sell to go down. If we get a bullish confirmation from here, we can buy to go up. And then if price pushes all the way here and gives a bullish confirmation, if price pushes all the way here and gives a bullish confirmation, a bearish confirmation, we can sell to come back down. If price breaks into this zone, it can be a place to add position to push all the way up. And if it gets up and gives a bearish confirmation from here, we sell to go down. I just had to rush this because this video is getting long. So maybe you can replay it and do all of that. I mentioned yesterday, somebody commented that said I should be mentioning my zones so that, because the numbers are different, but the zones are already clear enough. But if you're on TradingView, there's an option where you can just click make this chart mine and it will automatically open on your screen. This is way too long, over 8 minutes. Peace out. Have a beautiful day trading. Cheers.